All right, reporting live from Harare, the CBD. Apparently, Harare has been shut down. The city center is shut down. All the shops are closed. Police are sending people home. Soldiers are in town. So I'm just going to make just a drive-through and show you that Harare has been shut down by the police and the soldiers, telling people to go home. So every corner there's a policeman, and every intersection. Oh yeah, this is Harare. Absolutely nobody is in town except for the security forces. All the major shops closed, banks closed. Okay, apparently this is just an accident. Caused by the police chasing people. So there's absolutely no business in town today, and that's the 30th of July, just before the 31 July demos to be staged. So this is what's happening, and this is the town. So I'm going to head downtown and show you downtown. This is the famous Zimex mall. They call it the Zimex more. It's usually the hub of activities during the day, but it's empty. Just 2 police officers roaming about. Joiner City shut down. Is the town is also so I'm going to head down Chinoy Street going downtown and see what's happening. And the town is closed for real. There is no activity. People are being sent home. Shops are being closed. People are forced to close their shops. This is Copacabana. Soldiers. Manhego. People are just running, scared. This is the famous golf complex. So, as you can see, town is empty. Security forces standing in most corners. So now I'm going to head towards 4th Street. This is just a feel for those people who are not able to get into town and see it for themselves. This is what's really happening. This is our Zimbabwe. This is what the security forces have enforced. It's a Thursday, and this is not normal on an ordinary day. So I'm going to head towards 4th Street and show you what's happening. I think I see a truck for the soldiers. The soldiers are ahead of me there. So as we move on, there's a truck for soldiers. I'll show you the soldiers as I pass by. I'm just going to increase a little bit of speed so that I will not be caught in action. But this is what's happening. So there you go. It's a little bit dark, but you get to see the soldiers' truck. The soldiers are moving there. There you go. There they are. There are the soldiers chasing the people out of the town. It's 4th Street, pretty empty. And let me just warn the people. Vakomana masoja ari pakona, masoja ari pakona, masoja ari pakona, ndisi kutaura baba masoja ari pakona. Be careful. Just warning the people that the soldiers are coming back because they are very serious. So we'll try and make a 10 here. Let's see. Try and make a U-turn and also go back and see what's actually taking place. with the soldiers when they're in action. So I'll make it 10 here. I'll make it visible. The soldiers are quite nearby, so you get to see people start to running from this direction. There are the soldiers. Chi, ndizo kwakwe. Ndezakwe. Zakho. No, trying to intimidate me because I'm taking pictures. They will not stop me. They will not stop what is true. They are there. You got it. I refuse to stop for the soldiers. I did that. I'm showing the world what's happening, and this is what's happening. This is not right. This is not right. I know they cannot shoot me and open fire, holding one hand with an AK-47. They can't do anything though. But I'm just showing the world how our world is turned to be. The streets of Harare, in and out. So my next 10 will be Angwa Street, and then I call it a day. It's risky to do this business, but somebody has to do it. Somebody has to do it. Somebody has to. So chasing, being chased, and also chasing the officers. A cat and mouse game. Passing Angwa Street. Zemexmo again, and painful, but this is how it is. This is Morgan Tsvangirai. is true. OKs are closed. Absolutely no business. It's a total shutdown. Unfortunately, I have to sign out now.